ahead. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be all about MAXX. So we had a few eventful days. It's kind of always never a dull moment when you're dealing with MAXX. He went to the vet and he kind of clowned on me. So just a warning, it's going to be loud in the next clip. MAXX, what's wrong? Why you looking like you lost your best friend, huh? Why you looking like you lost your best friend? Look at him. This how he do when it's time to get a bath. You want to take a bath? You want to take a bath, MAXX? Look, y'all see how he did. MAXX, you want to take a bath? Let me know. But he decides to go outside today and waddle and play in the dirt and wants to go run around the neighbor's yard. So yeah, he gotta get a bath. You see how he gonna disrespect me and turn his back? Watch this. I still see you, bro. You ready? You ready to go take your bath? Come on, it ain't gonna be long. You're gonna get all cleaned up. You're gonna be fresh and fluffy. Come on, let's go take a bath. All right, I'll show y'all when he get done, I guess. Look how sad he get. It's okay. You wasn't sad when you shot across the street when the neighbors pulled up. You wasn't sad when you ran outside of the yard and you weren't supposed to. But now you want to get sad. I should be the one sad because I got to bathe you. Say, I'm clean. I got my teeth brushed. I got my teeth brush and my good cologne on. See, I'm clean now. I had a bath. Looking like Wolfman. He mad. See, I'm mad, y'all. I'm so mad. I got on my pajamas, godmama. He's so cute. Okay, I'm so cute and warm. He like this one. This is one of the ones I bought that I was going to take back, but it actually fit pretty good. Check him out. Make sure he okay, please.
You alright?
Check his face.
You fine?
No, he not.
He just mad right now. Checking out the best of him. He used to get the best of folks. That's all the time you snapped at me. You know what I'm saying?
Come here, Max. He trying to get him. Max, let me see. You okay? You okay, Max? Let me see. I don't see no blood. Come here. Ain't nobody in there. You can't get to him. They gone. He want revenge. It's okay, Max. Max, come back. Then they caught you slipping, Max. You was in your pajamas. That's what it was. And my baby slipped through.
Yeah, probably safe.
Now,
Max, who making fun of you?
no, I'm laughing to keep you crying. Come back, Max. It's okay. Come on. It's okay, Max. It's okay. Next time, you're going to have on your jeans and your ones. Max, they ain't going to be able to catch you in your PJs. Max, come back. Poor baby. It's your poor baby. Yeah. Get him, Max. It's a poor baby. He mad. Sound mad. Take me back. Take me back down now. Tell him, take you back down now. You wrong for that, dude.
He wrong for it. He the one raised behind over there. Nobody tell him about over there. I called him back. He took it behind right. Ooh, hey.
Just so you know, no animals was harmed in the making of this video. I just had to let y'all know how Mr. Allen let my baby get into a fight. I think I'm still getting over it. But he's better now, as you can see. He didn't get hurt, though, y'all. Seriously. So, just wanted to... This is for entertainment purposes only.